Ever feel like you're paying a small fortune just to have a bank account? Or that your bank is still stuck in the dark ages? The way we manage our money has changed, and a new kind of bank has stepped into the ring. So, what's the real difference between a digital-first bank like Monzo and your traditional high street bank? Let's break it down. First up, the biggest and most obvious difference is the physical presence. Your traditional bank has branches, tellers, and a familiar face you can talk to. This can be great for things like depositing cash or getting in-person advice for a mortgage. Monzo, on the other hand, is entirely digital. No branches, no waiting in line. Everything is managed through an app on your phone. This means you can do everything from opening an account to freezing your card if it goes missing, all in a few taps. This leads us to the second key difference: fees. Traditional banks often charge for things like monthly account maintenance, using an out-of-network ATM, or making transactions abroad. These small fees can really add up. Monzo's model is built around minimal or no fees for day-to-day banking. They don't have the overhead of physical branches, so they can pass those savings on to you. You'll get free transactions and withdrawals within certain limits, especially useful when you're traveling. Finally, and this is where Monzo truly shines, is the user experience. Traditional banks have been around for a long time, and their technology often feels like a mobile version of an outdated website. Monzo was built for the smartphone from the ground up. The app gives you instant notifications every time you spend, categorizes your spending automatically to help you budget, and lets you set up pots to separate money for specific savings goals. It's banking that's actually intuitive and helpful for managing your money in real time. So, while traditional banks offer a physical presence and a broad range of services, Monzo delivers a seamless, fee-friendly, and intelligent digital banking experience. It's not just a bank, it's a financial tool that lives in your pocket. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.